Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This video explanation for financial statements and financial analysis in management accounting. Shall we go to this video friends? Financial statements. The end product of financial accounting is final account. So, the final account is two parts. One is trading and profit and loss account and another one is balance sheet. This is the end product of financial accounting. Final accounts are also known as financial statement. Which account should be provided by the final account? It is known as financial statements. Financial statements include both income statement and another one is position statement. These financial statements are prepared on the basis of generally accepted accounting principles. It is well known as three type of accounting: personal, real and nominal accounts. We know that golden rules for account, that means debit and credit. It is generally accepted the accounting principle is basis of this account. So financial statement is provided on the basis of generally accepted accounting principles. Next we discuss about meaning and definition of financial statements. Financial statements are the outcomes of summarizing pass of financial accounting. It is the summarized financial accounting. It is outcome. Financial accounting includes only transactions and events which are measurable in monetary terms. We know that accounting is the monetary terms. It is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing the significant manner, and it measurable in terms of money. It is monetary terms. இதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய transactions which events considered in the monetary terms. This is the financial accounting. The financial statements provides a summary of accounts of a business enterprise. So business enterprise இருக்கக்கூடிய accounts summarized to provide in this the name of financial statements. The balance sheet reflecting the assets and liabilities and capital as on a certain data. So the balance sheet is fully reflected in the business capital, assets and liabilities, and the income statement shows the results of operations during a certain period. In every business should be carried there during the year, what operation should be given, which process should be going on. It is given by the income statement. It is nothing but trading and profit and loss account we have to prepare. This is the definition given by the John N. Meyer. Next one is types of financial statements. Basically, financial statements comprise of two statements, namely the income statements are the profit and loss account and the position statements are the balance sheet. So it is provided and basis on the generally accepted accounting principles specify that a complete set of financial statements must includes a balance sheet, an income statement, a statement of changes in owners accounts and a statement of changes in financial position. This is the types of financial statements. We know that a balance sheet is the provided to position of the company or business. This is அதாவது an income statement is nothing but it is the trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account is provide net profit or net loss in the business. The next one is a statement changes of owner's capital. It is the capital, owner capital should every year should be changed because at any time at any uncircumstances events arrived in this business, we have to given the additional capital and we take the drawings. So capital's owner's capital will be changed at any time. A statement of changes in financial position. The financial position should be changed at during a period. So these are the types of financial statements. Next one is uses of financial statements. The financial statements are like a mirror which reflect the financial position and operating strength and weakness of the concern. These statements are useful to management, creditors, banker, investors, management, trade association and stock exchange. It is the uses of financial statements. So we know that internal and external uses of accounting. These are the uses of financial statements. Now we go to another topic, financial analysis. Financial analysis is the process of determining the significant operating and financial characteristics of a firm from the given accounting data in financial statement. Which accounting data given in the financial statements like profit and loss account and balance sheet are income statements and assets and liabilities of the firm. So and the financial statements should be analyzed in the process of determining the significant operating and financial characteristics of a firm. This is the financial analysis. Next one is tools of financial analysis. The following are the major tools or devices that are being used by financial analysts in analyzing financial statements. So these are the tools and technique used for financial analysis. First one is comparative financial statements. This statement is compared to previous year and current year, what going on future or next year. It is the comparative financial statements. Another one is common size financial statement. These statements provide for users of financial statements. This is the common size financial statements. It gives the value is percentage basisல அந்த காமன் சைஸ் ஃபினான்சியல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸை கொடுக்கிறது. தென் தேர்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ட்ரெண்ட் அனாலிசிஸ் அண்ட் ட்ரெண்ட் ரேஷியோ. இட் இஸ் கோயிங் ஆன் த graphical statements. Then that one, next one is ratio analysis. It is given by the ratio. For example, what is the gross profit before previous year? So gross profit divided by sales into 100 equal to percentage of gross profit we have to get. So next one is funds flow statements. Funds flow statements is in the position of the statement shows the sources by which the business has been financed and the purpose which its funds have been used between operating and closing balance sheet of the date. So what is the funds going on, sources of applications and operations of applications. So அதை பார்க்குறது fund flow statements. Then cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is the statement which covered only the cash basis. It is a statement of changes in financial position debiting changes in cash position from one accounting period to another. Cash is how is going on this current year to next year. So these are the tools of financial analysis. Okay friends, now you understood the financial statement and the financial analysis in management accounting. I hope you have to receive the information about financial statement and financial analysis. Kindly like this video and continue watch our channel. Thank you.